Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture series, I am going to talk about the gate questions on magnetic circuit and electromagnetic induction, part 4. Already I had discussed part 1, part 2, part 3 on gate questions and BEE 1.1 to 1.10 I had discussed about the magnetic circuit and electromagnetic induction theory. Clear? So in each part, I'm going to talk about 25 MCQ questions. Later on, I will also add few more parts, part 5, part 6, part 7 like that to enhance the knowledge of this magnetic circuit and electromagnetic induction. Anyway, here I'm going to talk about the 25 MCQ questions. So I'm going to talk the question number 1. The production of magnetic field around a current carrying conductor is called magnetic field around current carrying conductor called electromagnetism. That is the question number 1. Answer is A. Question number 2. The principle of dynamically induced EMF is utilized in dynamically induced EMF means what? Coil is moving, coil is rotating in a magnetic field. Okay, so it is used in generator. Coil is moving here in generator. Third, the direction of induced EMF in a conductor can be deduced by Fleming's right hand rule. Fleming's right hand rule B. Because direction of induced EMF is given by Fleming's right hand rule, generator principle, right? Fleming's left hand rule is used in motor. So this is the answer B. Question number 4. Henry is the unit of measurement for which of the following property? Henry किसका यूनिट है? इंडक्टेंस का. कहाँ है? C answer is correct. According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF induced in a conductor whenever it lies in a magnetic field, right, cuts magnetic flux, moves parallel to the direction of magnetic field, none of the above. So according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF is induced in a conductor whenever it cuts the magnetic flux. जब flux कटेगा तो changing amount of flux will link with the coil, and according to Faraday's law, E equal to N d phi by dt, EMF will be induced. So answer is B. Answer question number 6. EMF induced in a coil due to its own current or flux changes. The EMF induced in a coil due to its own current or flux called as what? Self-mutual induced EMF. Self-induced EMF. It is not a mutual. It is not a statically. It is not a dynamically. It is self-induced EMF. The EMF induced in a conductor due to change of its own current or flux called as self-induced EMF. Right? I am rubbing it. Okay. Question number 7. The mutual inductance between the two coils will have the relation with the reluctance of magnetic path as. The mutual inductance between the two coils will have the relation with the reluctance of magnetic path as inversely proportional, right? We know M equal to what? N1 into N2 upon S. So the mutual inductance between the two coils have the relation with the reluctance. So M is inversely proportional to the reluctance, right? So B answer is correct. Question number 8. The reluctance of the magnetic circuit varies as. Reluctance S equal to क्या होता है? L upon mu 0 mu r area, right? This is the formula for reluctance. So reluctance of the magnetic circuit varies as length into area. No, it is length upon area, right? So length upon area, right? This B is correct answer. Length upon area. दिख रहा है? Okay. So okay, I'm rubbing it. Question number 9. Question number 9. Solenoid has a flux of 12 milliweber and flux density of 0.9 Tesla. B is given, phi is given. The inside diameter of the solenoid must be so equal. B equal to what? B equal to flux upon area. B equal to phi upon A, right? So this is B. So you can find area. Area equal to what? Area equal to what? Phi upon B. You can find phi upon B. Area मिल जाएगा. Once area equal to what? Diameter, they are asking diameter. So area क्या होता है? Pi by 4 d square equal to phi by A. So how to find d? Diameter equal to क्या होगा? 4 phi upon pi A. 4 into phi upon pi A. d square आएगा, अंडर रूट ले लेंगे तो क्या आएगा? That is the diameter. Okay, so you can solve it. So 4 under root of 4 pi कितना है? 12 milliweber. 12 मिली मतलब 10 raised to power minus वेबर आ जाएगा ये, अपॉन पाई एरिया कितना? व्हाट इज द एरिया? सॉरी, phi upon b. Oh sorry, area equal to phi upon b. Area equal to phi upon b. This is b. Sorry, this is, I'm just rubbing it. It is area equal to phi upon b. Okay, phi upon b. So d इक्वल टू क्या होगा? 4 phi अपॉन पाई b. यहाँ पर p है, अंडर रूट पाई इंटू b. कितना है b? व्हाट इज द b? 0.9. So you will get a diameter in diameter. So you can convert it to centimeter. So this is the way of finding it. Okay, so you can do it by using the calculator. 4 into 12 exponential minus 3 इक्वल आ जाएगा डिवाइडेड बाई पाई इक्वल डिवाइड बाई 0.9 इक्वल अंडर रूट 0.13 meter, so 13 centimeter. Okay, so that is the answer. Is correct answer is 13 centimeter. Okay, next question number 10. Question number 10. The magnetizing force on an iron ring is 1750 ampere turn per meter. 1750 when the flux density is 1.1 Tesla. The relative permeability of iron to be. So we know flux density B equal to what? Mu 0 mu r. B equal mu 0 mu r h. Flux density is proportional to the h. So B equal to mu 0 mu r h, right? So B is given 1.1 mu 0 होता है 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. Clear? H is given. What is H? 71750. So you will get mu r. Mu r equal to what? If you solve it, 1.1 upon 4 pi 10 raised to power minus 7 into 1715, you will get answer 500. So that is the correct answer, 500, right? So this is the question number 10. Question number 11. I'm loving it. A 0.5 mm air gap has a cross-sectional area of 7 centimeters square. Calculate the MMF required to generate the total flux of 50 microweber. Okay, so MMF निकालना, we know phi equal to Ni upon S. MMF upon reluctance. So Ni equal to what? Ni equal to phi into S. Phi into S. Okay, so equal to Ni equal to phi into S equal to क्या होता है L upon mu 0 mu r A. And what about mu r? 1 for air gap. So okay, so phi, if you solve phi equal to what we have given, phi equal to, we have given 50 microweber. 50 microweber मतलब minus 6. L length is given, length of air gap is given, कितना है length is given 0.5 milliweber into 0.5 milli means 10 raised to power minus 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Clear? Mu 0 होता है 4 pi 10 raised to power minus 7. Mu r 1 for air gap and area is given. कितना area? 7 centimeters square. 7 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Because it is centimeter square, so I want it meter square. So if you solve it, you will get total Ni equal to 50 into 0.5, 25 into 10 raised to power 9, 0.4, 1 pi, 0.7, 10 raised to power 11. So you will get 28.4 ampere turn. That is the correct answer. If you solve with the help of calculator, you will get 28.4 ampere turn. Right? Okay, next question. Question number 12. An iron core coil of 10 turns has reluctance of 100 ampere turn per weber. Find the inductance of the coil. L equal to 12. L equal to what? N square upon S. This is the second definition. N is given 10 square means 100 upon S is given 100 ampere turn per weber. So 100 upon 101. That is the correct answer, B. 1 Henry. Okay, question number 13. A coil of radius 400 13. A coil of radius r has 400 turns and self-inductance of 32 millihenry. The inductance of the similar coil of 300 turns, इसका मतलब है 300 turns आपने कर दिए तो क्या होगा, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स रिड्यूस करोगे तो क्या होगा, number of turns reduce किया तो inductance will be reduced because we know S inductance L equal to what, n square upon S, clear ना, n square upon S. so ये कितना है 32 is millihenry equal to n square कितना है 400 upon S, everything is same. What will be the new value of S inductance when the 300 turns are given? S will be same. So with the help of this equation we will get 32 upon L nu equal to 1600 400 का स्क्वायर 16 और ये 300 का स्क्वायर 1 2 3 4 4 zeros will be cancelled. So L nu आ जाएगा. What is L nu? 32 into 9 upon 16, 18. So answer is 18 millihenry. Okay, that is the answer. Okay.
सर नीचे जाके वो फेस स्कैनिंग कर देना IQ star.
Okay. Next, question number 13. Sorry, 14. 14 I am going to talk about. The cast steel electromagnet has an air gap length of 0.3 centimeter. Find the ampere turns for the air gap to produce a flux density of 0.7 Tesla in the air gap. Okay, so ampere turns, so Ni equal to what? Ni equal to HL. Ni equal to HL. Ni equal to what? HL equal to what? B upon mu 0 into Lg. Mu r यहाँ पर b h equal to b upon mu 0 mu r होता है, but mu r is 1 for air gap. So Lg. So just put the value. B is given 0.7. Mu 0 we know 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7, and Lg we have given 0.3 centimeter. Centimeter मतलब 10 raised to power minus 2. So if you solve it, you will get, if you solve with the help of calculator, you will get 1671 ampere turns. B answer is correct. Okay. Okay. Question number 15. What is question number 15? The combined inductance of two coils is 0.8 Henry in series adding and 0.2 Henry in series opposition, their mutual inductance. So this is very clear. We have given, sorry, 50 na. So we know the formula L1 plus L2 plus 2m. It is given 0.8. Second equation I have given, when these two coils connected in series opposition, so L1 plus L2 minus 2m equal to, I have given 0.2. I want to find m, so I will subtract. When subtract, it will become minus, it will become minus, this will become minus, minus, plus, this will be minus. For when you subtract it, sign will be changed. L1 will be cancelled, L2 will be cancelled, you will get 4m इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, ये माइनस करने के बाद 0.6. So what is the value of m? M equal to 0.6 upon 4, 1.15. 0.15. So that is the answer, 0.15 Henry. Okay. Question number 16. A magnetic circuit has the MMF of 400 ampere turns. MMF मतलब NI and reluctance equal to 2 into 10 raised to ampere turn per Weber. Magnetic flux phi equal to what? Phi equal to what? NI upon S. NI upon S. NI कितना है? 400. Ni upon S is what? 2 into 10 raised to power 5. 2 into 10 raised to power 5. So it is very clear. So you will get 200 into 10 raised to power minus 5. 200 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So दो जीरो और गए, so 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. That is the B answer is correct. Okay. Okay. Question number 16. Sorry, this was the 16. Now question number 17. A 2 centimeter long coil has 10 turns, right? Carries a current of 750 milliampere. Magnetizing force of a coil. Magnetizing force H equal to what? Ni upon L. Ni H equal to Ni upon L. Okay, so N is given 10. I is given 750 milli. Milli means 10 raised to power minus 750 milli upon L. Length is given. What is the length? 2 centimeter means 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. 2 centimeter. Sorry, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Sorry, this is 2. This is 2. Right? Corrected. So centimeter you can convert into meter. If you solve it, 750 upon 2, that is 375. That is 375 means it is D answer is correct. Okay. Question number 18. A magnetic device has a core with cross section of 1 square inch. Area is given 1 square inch. If the flux in the core is 1 milliweber, what is the flux density? B equal to flux upon area. B equal to flux upon area, right? Flux is given कितना है? What is the value of flux? 1 milliweber. 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, and area is given, cross sectional area is given 1 square inch. 1 square inch I don't want in square inch, I want in meter square. So 1 square inch में कितने मीटर स्क्वायर हो जाएंगे? पहली बार 2.54 स्क्वायर, ये हो गया आपका सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इंटू 10⁻⁻⁴ किया तो मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो इज इट क्लियर? 1 इंच में क्या होते हैं? 2.54 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं. स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 इंच मीन्स 1.1 के बदले में 2.54 स्क्वायर किया तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर होगा. एंड इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10⁻⁻⁴, so you will get in meter square. So your answer will be, if you solve it with the help of calculator, ये आएगा 10/2.54 का स्क्वायर. 10/2.54 का स्क्वायर, it is 1.55. Okay, Tesla. Question number 19. A circuit has inductance of 2 Henry. Inductance of 2 Henry. The circuit current changes at the rate of 10 ampere per second. Then self-induced EMF equal to what? Equal to L di by dt. L di by, this is the E equal to L di by dt. E is given, L is given 2 Henry, or current change at the rate of 10 ampere per second. So it is 20 volt. That is the correct answer, is 20 volt, C. Okay, ठीक है. 19 हो गया. Sorry, 20. A current of 2 ampere through a coil sets up flux linkage. That is a flux linkage. Okay, flux linkage of 4 Weber turns. Self inductance L equal to what? N, L equal to N phi by I. That is the first definition of self inductance. ये N phi directly है. Flux is not, it is not a flux or number of turns. This is given flux and number of turns. N phi directly it is given 4 Weber turns, or I given 2. So 4/2 is 2 ampere. C answer is correct, 2 Henry. Okay, question number 21. A iron core has 10 turns. Has a reluctance of 100 ampere turn per Weber. Find the inductance L equal to what? N square upon S. Second definition of self inductance, N is given कितना है? 10 turns का square. So 10 का square, that is 100 upon S is given 100. So 100 upon 100 is 1. It is 1 Henry. A part is correct. That is the answer, right? Question number 22. An iron cored coil has inductance of 2 Henry. So L is given. Clear? If the reluctance of the magnetic path is 200 ampere turns, the number of turns on the coil is. So again formula is same. L equal to what? N square upon S. Clear? Number of turns मांग रहा है वो, N square upon S. So N square equal to what? LS. So N equal to what? Under root of LS. L is given कितना? L is given कितना? 2. S is given कितना? 200. So So 400 हो जाएगा ये, under root तो 20 आएगा. 20 will be the answer D. That is the correct answer, 20. Okay. Next question, 23. What would happen if you broke a bar magnet into 8 pieces? When we broke the magnet, again it will become a magnet, but strength will be reduced. You would have 8 half magnets. No. You would have 4 complete magnets. No. You would have 8 complete magnets. Yes, this is the correct answer, C. Okay. So the C answer is correct. 24th, what happens to the magnetic field intensity if the current carrying wire has 3 times as many loops and the same amount of current? If current is same, what would happen if the magnetic field intensity H equal to what? Magnetic field strength H equal to what? Ni upon L. Ni upon L, right? What would happen to the magnetic field intensity if the current carrying wire has 3 times as many loops? Only number of turns you are increasing 3 times. So obviously H will be increased by 3 times. So what is the answer? Answer is 3 times stronger. That is the C answer is correct, right? 25th, last question. What do you call a rod of iron surrounded by coil of करंट कैरिंग वायर? अगर कोई वायर रॉड है वो करंट कैरिंग वायर है तो क्या कहलाएगा? कंडेंसर? नो. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक डोमेन? नो. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट? यस, सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. It is called as electromagnet. Okay. Question number 25. I'm covering it. So I had discussed this 25 questions. In case solution I have given here, that is the answer sheet is given, you can read it. Clear? Thank you very much for listening me carefully. I will develop a lecture series, basic electrical engineering. Okay, so here I will develop the next series for electrostatics, that is BEE 2.1. second series I am going to develop for electrostatics, and then I will start the AC fundamental in this part 2 में, and I will develop around 6-7 gate questions, 6-7 sets of gate questions on this. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully.